So I painted last night, and I want to share a couple of things that I learned while painting exterior siding. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but thankfully this Sherwood Williams Weather Guard exterior paint, really good stuff. I didn't do the ceiling up here because I only had a gallon, and I stopped about right here. You can probably see the color difference right here. Love this color. It's a little bit lighter, and it really did good. But one thing I want to show you when painting this type of siding is these little grooves right here. The roller can't get into it, so when you're rolling, I had to go with a brush on all of these little indentations, I guess you call them. I did about one coat on the top here, and it definitely needs more than one coat. And right back here I've got a gap, which I'm going to get some trim pieces and then paint over it. Now with the television, I'm going to move this TV. There's a stud like right there, so I'm going to kind of move this back into the corner a little bit more for even more weather protection. Heck, I might even get a different TV with that audio output giving me fits of rage. Now with the TV, I bought some of those little mounting brackets so you can put the sound bar underneath it and just set the sub right there in the back corner. Now the front here, I'm going to use some more trim pieces too. I need to go to Lowe's and get some nice edging trim work for that right there. Now for the power, that thing's messed up, that GFCI circuit. So I'm probably going to rip that out and put a standard non-child proof freaking normal outlet in here with a nice cover, and then kind of paint the wire up here and go underneath here, drill a hole right here, then mount like a power strip right here for power access. And I may do a power strip right back here too. Now with the cabinets, I just gotta get them. They're gonna look good right there. Those Seville right there. Put two of them right there. And once I move the TV over there, I'm gonna put another cabinet right here. But I think I want to start off with getting two of them right here. And lastly, down here, this gave me fits of rage too. I had to use painter's tape, and I still didn't get it right. See there? It was kind of tacky, but I can probably fix that pretty good. And then lastly, for fancy dancy, and these Craftsman bar stools are excellent. Let me get another one of those and put it right there. You can just sit there and watch TV. So, and maybe get a rug, one of those little patio, weather-resistant weather rugs right down there to cover up some of my mistakes. All right, there you have it. It's gonna be nice. Have a good day.